Yeah.
Are you gonna split it or what?
Yeah, I don't know yet. That's definitely 4.5, 5. My whole hand can fit in its mouth.
You cannot tell me that's not your PB.
Oh,
that's huge.
That's by far my PB. For sure.
Oh, there's a duck. The size of that thing, dude. Like...
It's at least my PB Ohio bass. Alrighty, y'all. So we didn't catch any more fish that trip, but I did have some pike fish and clips, so hope you guys do enjoy the pike fishing. Still have it? Oh. Yep. No, that's a fish.
Oh.
That's a big pike.
It's a turtle. No, it ain't.
No, that's a fish.
Oh, it's a nice pike. Fish out. I had to blow that whistle, Landon. I had to blow that whistle.
Oh, there went your minnow.
That's all right. I'll trade that for that.
Oh, way down there. Not a bad minnow.
Oh, he's a eater.
You drop it? Oh. Probably a 40-incher. He ain't huge, is he?
No. Another 30-incher.
Another pike.
Oh, no, buddy. They hit hard, though. Oh! Got me hung.